Hello everyone. Okay, hang on, let me just make sure everything's working fine, as always. Blah blah blah, yeah. The sound things, the sound stuff is going up and down, which means it's reading my voice and the game audio, which is fine. Something like that. Okay, I'm just gonna check that the stream quality is perfect. I'll be right back. I'll make myself a drink. Be right back! Okay, time to bust some ghosts. I'm sorry for the delay. I just had to tweet and stuff, you know how it is. Just to make sure that everybody knows that I'm tweeting. Because sometimes you get people like, I'm tweeting. So everybody knows that I'm streaming. But sometimes you get people like, I didn't know you were streaming. When are you gonna stream next? I don't know. I didn't know I was gonna stream 15 minutes ago. Alright, we are going to resume our career. Because it's a career. Ghost busting is a career. I should put that on my CV. Let's go. My controller is... Okay, here we go. Let's go. In the last episode... Oh, we're gonna go to the museum history. Or history museum. One of them. Let's go. And this is where I get copyright fined or something like that. Because of the stupid song. But it's okay. My controller like, hang on. Oh, that's full apparently. Oh, come on, load up already. The longer the song plays, the more likely I'm gonna get copyright claimed or... Oh.
Yes, we just arrived at the loading dock. Keep Peck distracted. We're gonna poke around.
Okay, I'll take one for the team.
Can I increase the brightness because it's very dark?
No sign of the curator.
On the...
Alyssa told me he'd meet us right here.
On the stupid stream. Hang on. Setting... Oh. I sure want to reset... No, I didn't say that. Settings. Oh. Gameplay? No. There is no such thing as brightness in this game. Oh. No, I want assisted targeting. Okay, never mind. What if I reload the checkpoint, actually? Let's see if I can reload the checkpoint. I got nothing to lose, really. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna have to go through another song. Okay. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks. Because it was okay when they did it in the second movie. Like the... what was it called? The Statue of Liberty. Jackhammer! It's the vloggy people... What? Is the vloggy people gone now? Vloggy people? What do you mean vloggy people? I'm a vloggy people. I'm a vloggy people. You are a vloggy people because you're here. Whether you like it or not right now. Hey Jack, something's missing. Hang on. Something's not right, Jack. We need to fix that. There you go, my friend. That's much better. Okay, it's the same thing.
Yes, we just arrived at the loading dock. Keep Peck distracted.
What's
We're gonna
up,
poke
Jack?
around.
How are you, buddy?
Okay, I'll take one for the team.
Don't tell True. I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be
No sign
setting
of
up my
Kira.
outbreak,
Melissa
but I
told
felt
me
like
to meet us right
streaming.
here.
If he finds out, he's gonna kill me.
Something I wanted out of this box in a big book.
Watch out, black slime. Unchecked can eventually open a full interdimensional portal. Open doorways. Anything that wants to can come through. If a full portal has been opened, it has to be sealed using your slime blower. That's the key reason we
You
developed
see what he
that.
said? You see what he said? I'm detecting something here. I don't care how much these crates cost. Crates cost. I want to find out. There's slime over there, look. Ah, I want to get in. Come on.
Good work, Eagle Eye. Look at this. Something's trail packing material down
You
the
are
hall.
vloggy people now.
Packing
You are
material and
officially
slime.
vloggy people because you have the wrench next to your name. Oh, it was Albert asking. I thought, oh my goodness, I had a few drinks. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize there's more people now. Hello Jack, hello Albert, hello King Tim. Welcome to my ghost busting adventure. I'm trying to find out what's going on here. Nothing's going on, everything's quiet now. Okay. Whoa, did you see that? Basically, this blast over here, look, this blast, it's like a shotgun blast. Yeah, I honestly didn't recognize who you were. Honestly, I'm sorry about that. It's alright, Kingdom. Thank you so much. Even just your name appearing on chat is awesome. Oh, look, slime. You see, the black slime is dangerous. I can't even step in black slime. Look what's gonna happen to my boots. I'm gonna step into the light so you can see better. Look what's gonna happen to my boots as soon as I step into the slime. Look at my boots. Did you see that? It's like acid. Oh, did you see that? Something.
Was that a possessor?
Maybe. Look at level 7 or above, too.
Didn't we used to fight class 2s and 3s every now and then? What happened to them? They were easy.
Ah, the good old days. I'm more worried that she'll stir things up around here. I expect we'll see her again sooner than we want to. Hello? Who's in there?
Somebody that wants out is who?
It's Barebones. Barebones, you've been here on every one
Hey,
of my
Cadet,
streams.
get in here and clear this off, please.
Going out.
Be ready for him.
You are a buddy.
Possessor.
And you know what, Barebones, you've been here. I'm gonna give you a moderator because I'm feeling generous, maybe because I had a drink or two, but I'm gonna give you a moderator. Make me proud, my son. Actually, I'm gonna say it in a Splinter voice. Make me proud, my son. My sons. You just messed up, Lucky. You're gonna have 100 new commands. Really? No! I take it back. No. Actually, Actually, know what I would like to set up? Stupid. Ooh.
Oh, Dr. Rutherford. Z, meet the assistant curator of the museum.
Is that horrible, terrible thing gone?
Yeah, she's gone. You good?
Yes, I suppose so. I'm a big fan. I even had you over for my daughter's birthday a couple years ago.
Is that so? Yeah, well, I think we can get you a sticker or button or mug or t-shirt or something when we're done here.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Follow me. We'll go through the restoration department.
Ah, we're gonna follow him around. Okay. What was I gonna say? Let's make sure everything's fine here. What was I saying? Yeah, I need to set up song request. Hang on. There's gonna be a cutscene here.
There it is again! Don't let it get me!
Don't you worry. You'll have to go through me first.
Can you help him?
Hold him down, young blood.
Alright, this is what you do. I slime him up, so the ghost comes out. Because apparently ghosts hate slime. Snot. There he is. Now then I switch back to the London stream. Oh, that's the Stacy stream. Sorry, wrong stream. There we go. Possessed Ray. No! Don't touch me. Ooh, look what I got! Look, I got me a ghost. No, he's possessed him again. Slime. Bring out the slime. How do you do that? There we go. He likes Ray apparently. He wants to possess Ray. I'm going back to my...
Oh, disgusting!
Where is he? Where'd he go? There he is.
But not entirely without signing.
I've got you, buddy. Now time to throw in the trap. Where's the trap? I'm throwing a trap. No. There it is now. It's there. It's there now. Bye! Bye!
You guys are really good.
Guys, I don't know if I told you this before,
That's
but
fusion-based exorcism in
it's
a
such a
nutshell.
satisfying feeling
Then
trapping a
somebody's head
ghost.
spinning all around the barbecue.
Dragging him down the trap. It's so cool.
Will he
Anyway,
be okay?
what was I
doing,
saying?
Ray?
What was I saying? I was saying I regret
How's
making
it
Jack
buzzing?
a mod because he's gonna add
Oh, he'll be fine in a second.
he's gonna add every single command to everything I say. No, but seriously, I would like to add song requests to my streams because I'm
We found the
getting
curator.
the itch
We're on our way to the
to
Gozer
play
exhibit
Minecraft
now.
very soon, and I would love some songs. I don't know, we'll see.
There's so much to show you. Where to start? Things have been very strange since they started setting up that exhibit.
All right. don't worry about it. Don't worry about
hello
that. Bare bones.
Dig it, Peter.
It means you have some
Ray
authority.
got possessed again.
No pressure.
Ah, Z!
You'll have to go through me first. That's exactly what he said.
Just like a puppy. Every day's the first day.
This is the guy that's bossing around the Ghostbusters right now. Peck,
No,
Walter Peck.
no, no! I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately!
Where's his honor, Pecker? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me.
Not happening, Peckaby. This is for Jock alone. We will wait for him to get...
Security! Remove these men. With excessive force.
Why do the good ones always play hard to get?
Oh my goodness.
What in the hell is going on here?
They got picked.
I never got him.
So funny. Alright, let's
More
slime them up.
possessor ghosts. Kid, you know
Oh,
what to
sorry.
do.
First I need to slime them up. Slime them up, man. There we go. they're possessing people. It's so funny.
Party's over, folks. Clear
Come on,
the
back.
room.
Let's slime them up.
Great.
Doesn't
You
take much
stay
to
in
slime
the
them,
back.
but once you slime them, the ghost comes out, and then you have to trap them.
Hurts, doesn't it? Let it all out.
I'll see you all on Rikers Island for this.
Whoa, take a break. Do you
Wow, it's
ever...
taking forever to get them.
Oh my god!
Oh my
They're
goodness,
attacking the guests.
so many.
Here, get your coat.
Maybe I should have put my shotgun. Actually, oh
there.
no, more possessed. Oh, it's gonna be tough. Hey Veronica, I noticed you in chat, but I'm busy now. I'm so rude.
Hold on there.
I noticed you before. Oh, so people are being possessed right now. No, no, help me, come on. Oh no, even Ghostbusters are being slimed now. Oh, this is not
I
good.
got you. Snuck one past me.
Help him out, come on.
Hang tight.
This is not good. Oh my goodness. So many. Let's get them out of these bodies. Ah! Oh my goodness, there's only one that can help. Oh, hang on.
Come on now.
Hang on.
Help me.
One is out.
Gonna have to watch out for you. Don't mess with me, man.
Maybe I should keep my distance. Yeah, I'm sure, but there's nothing I can do right now. Everyone's down? Oh my goodness, I should help. No, I love everyone's down. And it's 4 of us, so that's good.
Hey, more trouble. Give it to him.
Another one bites the dust.
Get through this.
One or two at least.
Watch it.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, so many of them are possessed. There's nothing I can do. All of them are possessed. No. This is not good. Mission failed. That's the thing. If all Ghostbusters are out, there's nothing we can do. Look at that mod wood. It's so awesome. So have I been drinking? Well, the thing is, I was on the beach having a drink or 7 or 17. And I just got home. I'm gonna have to nap eventually because I am working tonight. But I felt like streaming. I really felt like streaming. So, what's going on now? They get all the reactors to sound like... No! They are all the actors, yes. There's Bill Murray, and there's... what's his name? My goodness. The guy that does Winston. Oh my goodness. And then there's Stans, the guy... I forgot the Ghostbusters names right now. But yes, they did all the cast. And even when they produced the game, they actually face scan them, something like that, to get the right pictures, graphics. I'm not saying I should stop talking. I'm gonna have a sip now. If somebody comes in right now in my stream, they're gonna see the mod wall. They're gonna be like, "Oh, this must be a private party. I'm stepping out of here." Look at the mod wall. Everyone's a mod here. This must be a private party. Ah, come on, man. But yes, they did get all the actors. Dan Aykroyd and... my mind is blank right now. They got the guy who died. Oh my goodness. I promise I love the Ghostbusters and I love the actors.
There's so much to show you. Where to start? Things have been very strange since they started setting up that exhibit.
Well, hello there.
Dig it, Peter.
I'm
Bring
telling
out
you guys,
possessed
this...
again.
the dog is hitting you.
You'll have to go through me first. That's exactly
Oh,
what he
Matt
said.
knows.
Just
Matt
like a puppy.
knows.
Every day's the first day.
I wanna watch the cutscene again because the cutscene is awesome.
No, no, no! I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately.
Where's his honor, Pecker? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now.
Her name is
Anything you
Alyssa,
need
by the
to
way,
tell
like
him
her.
goes through me.
Not happening, Peckabee. This is for Jock. Jock alone. We will wait for him to get.
Security, remove these men. With excessive force.
Boys? Why do the gangs always play hard?
It's all a joke. Unlike that, she just drank a ghost.
What in the hell is going
She just drank a spirit. Get it?
They got picked!
I never got it.
Let's do this. This time I need to do it.
More
I kept
possessor
messing up
ghosts!
with the controls.
Kid,
That's-
you know what to do!
Back.
Right. I know what not to do.
Party's over, folks. Clear the room. Ray, you stay in the back.
Hurts, doesn't it? Let it all out.
I'll see you all on Rikers Island for this.
Whoa, take a break. Do you ever shut up?
This doesn't look good.
Oh my God!
They're attacking the
No,
guests.
it's not good. Everyone's being attacked. Even our Ghostbusters. Get out of the way, you boob.
Run a full
go.
scan.
Oh my goodness. This is not good.
Keep your shirt on.
Up high.
Here, get your coat quickly.
Solid. Send him back where they came from.
So hard.
Stand clear. Stand clear.
Ow! Say that! That was ow there!
They got me. They got me. Up there.
They just keep possessing people. How am I gonna do
Find
this?
some cover.
I don't have time to unpossess people
This is among my least
and capture
favorite.
them. I need time.
Solid, kid.
There's not a lot over there. Maybe I'll just take care of all this now. Maybe I'll give up possessing people eventually. Of course, there's a Ghostbuster now that's possessed. Oh no! Sorted. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Hey, over
you
here,
have
little
to leave,
Hal.
my friend.
Yo,
Oh
little
my
Hal.
goodness, it's a good thing I helped him out.
Keep your shirt on. Somebody will show up.
Oh no. Mind you guys, this is almost a blind playthrough, huh? Because I only finished this back in 2009. So, okay, they're out. Now what?
Look out! Above you! Okay, here they come.
I think they're done possessing people. Everyone's out now. I'm not even looking at chat. I'm so sorry.
Ah!
Let's go
Look
help.
out! Above you!
Oh my god, they're possessed again.
More trouble!
All of them are possessed. It's all up to me. him now. What's up?
Uh-oh! Here they come!
So bad.
Oh, slimed again!
Oh my goodness!
Ow! Nothing I hate like a pump coat.
I can't keep up with them.
Find some cover!
There's no way to stop this.
We've stirred up a hornet's nest here. Run!
How much slime you got in there, Ghost?
Maybe if I freeze them? Oh no, come on, stay
Sting!
up.
On your left!
Ah, Vankman, you suck!
Incoming! No!
All of them are possessed again. Oh man, you guys suck. We haven't captured one yet, that's the thing.
Ow! That was ow there.
He got captured again! Oh man. We're not gonna do this.
Just missed him! Make a hole! Gotta move!
The other one's out.
I hate getting slime!
Run!
Where are they?
Above you!
I'm gonna change to my stasis strain. Maybe I can freeze one of them. Where are they? You. Oh no, no. No, don't worry.
Take your time.
Stasis stream. There it is.
It's on your left!
Now, where are they? Oh, I'm no longer possessed. This is gonna take forever.
Over here! Get out of here!
No, wrong stream. Where are they?
Need a trap?
Could be trouble!
Come here.
Hey, over here.
Get in there.
Back to the brick.
Get in there.
Run! Hold tight! Don't give up now!
No, he escaped. Oh man.
Hey, over here. Little help? Yo, little help?
It's gonna take forever. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Hey, over
I
here.
got you, Mr. Ghostbuster.
Oh.
It's like I'm doing all the work myself. Get out of there.
How much ectoplasm can one ghost produce? Oh yeah?
Can't do this! Do you know who I am?
Blind again!
Get a scan on that.
Nobody messes with the kid!
One of them is down. Oh no, not again.
Man! Help!
Blind! Oh, great! A whole mess of them!
Above you! This is among my least favorites. Where do you think you're going? Scan it!
Oh yeah! Keep it going!
Whoa! Look at them all!
You're mine. Sucker. Get in there.
Nobody messes with the kid.
Wants to make me feel good. Must be a lot of fun. Aww. You suck, you know that?
Jeez!
Oh man!
Easy there. Almost crossed the stream. Here they come. Ow!
Hold on!
Get in there. Get it. Oh, he got away. You're not getting away.
Look out! Above you!
They felt that one in Pittsburgh. Yow! Don't stop!
No!
I'm on it!
Somebody help, please. I've been helping you all along. No way.
Keep your shirt
No
on.
way. Come on. Come on.
Ow! That was ow there! Mine!
Now that hurt. Close one.
And that is precisely how that.
Yeah, I'm doing all this by myself. Come on. Did they catch the next one? There you go. There you go. There's a shot set already. Let's keep going.
Ah!
Bring it out.
Booyah!
And Stance does it again.
Hey, Wendigo! Welcome to the stream. I'm sorry, I've been so busy.
All right, you guys go after
Playing the
Alyssa.
game.
Be careful. I'll get to security.
I love this plan.
I'll man the security cameras to triangulate them on the monitors and talk you through.
See you soon, Ray. Let's go, guys.
See you soon, guys. Dr. Rutherford, if you'll show me to security.
I'll beat or rescue Alyssa because he has a crush on her. Look, it's Barry. Barry is here. I'm playing a lame game so that he enjoys it.
Get me down from here!
I don't think that guy's planning to be nice to him. It's a mannequin ambush. Don't bother trying to capture him. Just blast him down to
Oh
nothing.
wow, it's strong. It's very powerful, but the blast is very powerful, but it knocks out my what's it called? My proton pack. Wendigo's from Australia, seriously? Wow. Nice to see you, buddy. I am from Malta. It's a teeny tiny island in the Mediterranean. And there are
Catch
no
up to
ghosts
them.
like these. Oh my goodness, my own blast on me.
That was nowhere near fatal.
Malta. You know Europe? You know Italy, the Mediterranean? It's right below Italy. It's a teeny tiny... People will be like, but no, Italy, there's Sicily. And that's right. But it's underneath Sicily. It's like a teeny tiny island right underneath Sicily. That's where I am right now. That's where home is.
Let's make some noise.
V is from USA. Oh, I love Cali. I love California so much. I've been there, huh? I don't know if I told you that. I said it many times. But yeah, I have been to...
Take it to the bridge!
Did Winston just say, take it to the bridge? What are you guys doing down there?
Fewer funny jokes, more getting to the
Yeah, I've
security
been
cameras, please, Ray.
You thought I was Scottish? No, don't even think I was Scottish. Okay, either my accent is very, 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 very strong, which I don't think it is, or you suck at telling accents apart. Come on, who's here right now? Wendigo, okay, Bare Bones, Barry, okay, Veronica, do I sound... I can't even try. Do I sound Scottish? No, I can't even do it. I can't do it, I'm sorry. I can't even fake a Scottish accent. Peter, a girl is calling you. Oopsie. Oh no, I'm sucking!
Get to the temple!
Come on, help me.
glowing one!
This game is better than the movie, than the upcoming movie. I kid you not, this is really better than the movie. What's going on here? Ready to catch this?
Ray, can you see where they went?
We haven't reached the security office yet. This place is really hopping.
Yeah, that's the Big 10-4.
Actually, just this morning, Bare Bones, I was actually having a conversation, and anyway, and she was telling me like, I don't have a typical Maltese accent, no. And I was showing her big videos of, you know, that video of that guy who goes, "Hello, my name is Charlie. I am from Malta. Let me go get a beer. Hold on." You know, hey baby. You know which one I'm talking about, Bare Bones, do you? Anyway, so I was showing her the video, and she was like, "No, you don't sound like that." But yeah, anyway. No, this game is on PS3 actually. It came in 2009. Came out in 2009. How is Barry doing? I haven't spoken to Barry today. How are you, Barry? Barry. Am I gonna go? Am I gonna come find you in Amsterdam? Seriously, because just this morning I was having a conversation, about making Amsterdam happening. So yeah, this reminds me of Resident Evil 5 for some reason. I don't know why.
From the 3rd to the 9th century, Maya civilization produced all-expiring temples and pyramids. The ancient Maya also believed in
I sound Italian. I don't think I sound Italian. What are you talking about? I don't know. I had so many people saying so many different things. So many different things. I'm German, I sound German. And I sound Canadian, and I sound American, and I sound... so many things. You know, it's one of the many things that put me off making videos on YouTube because of my accent, because it, you know, most people on YouTube are American, so... And I was like, no, people are gonna find my accent weird, you know? And guess what? The #1 YouTuber in the world doesn't even speak proper English, okay? If you watch PewDiePie, okay, you'll see that his English sucks. But anyway, I'm not gonna ramble on that. Vloggy, I'm doing great. You have to teach me Maltese in Amsterdam. I don't think I'm gonna teach you Maltese in a few hours if we ever meet. So, but I'll teach you a few words. Oh my goodness. Everybody needs a magic. No, I need help. Help me, please. Not even close. Where's... Yeah, it did. Yes, Barebones, I agree with you. His English has improved, but there were times I was watching this video and I'm like, really? That is not a word, you know. That is not a sentence. So yeah. Anyway, I'm not hating him. He was one of my favorite YouTubers a few years ago, but my point is, I might feel uncomfortable with my own accent, and this applies to all of you guys in chat. Maybe holding you back from making a video or something.
Babylonian, Assyrian,
Mesopotamia.
You might find your accent embarrassing, but others might find it cute.
Just one of those things.
And I'm telling you that, especially the ladies. Well,
you know,
opposite sexes. Let's also talk to other women, women here. Yeah. So that's what I mean. I have a friend of mine, and he went to Australia actually, and you know, he went there speaking his typical Maltese accent, you know, his embarrassing Maltese accent, and you have no idea how well it did with the ladies. His accent, it was unbelievable.
Peter, come in.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Man, we've reached the security office. This one is a shambles. It's been sabotaged.
Veronica's
Black
funny.
slime all over the place. Only a few of the cameras are still working.
When you're free, no rush. Open gate 3487, just for kicks.
Give me a minute.
You know, if you want to freak,
Whoa, we're under attack. We'll get
Ray,
back to you.
stay away from any possession. Dr. Rutherford, if you're still there, can you go catch Dr. Stantz, please?
that was so funny. Sorry, I got distracted. I was gonna say, if you want to freak out,
Okay, I shook off that possessor.
hang on,
Found
I'll
a
get to
different
that, Jack.
security
I was
room.
let me
Can't find
finish
Dr. Rutherford,
Barry's thought
Must
first.
have scared him off.
You're not pretty when
If
you're
you want to freak
possessed.
someone out, if
Seriously.
you are 100% sure that
I've got
there's a
you on the
Maltese
cameras. You should be coming to
there's a
the
Maltese
Civil War
viewer
Institute.
watching, okay, and you want to
Melissa
freak him
just
out,
passed through there.
what you have
Okay,
to do
we're
is
on
this:
it.
say,
Thanks.
"Ow," and then his name. So let's say, "Ow, Barry twice." Okay, just say, "Ow, Barry twice," and "How are you?" is Kifinti. All right. So if you're playing and then you see someone who you're sure that is
You know the
Maltese,
difference
say,
between this
"Oh, Barry
exhibit
twice,
and the
Kifin."
other ones?
You just
The
said,
soldiers in
"Hey,
this
Barry
one have
twice,
guns.
how are you?" And you'd freak him out. Just this week, actually, I was on Cat's stream, Sniper Cat 6 stream, and you know how well she did on her recent streams because of because of her Resident Evil 7 streams. She had up to 1,000 people watching, and the stream, the chat was going up so fast you couldn't keep up. But there was this one guy, oh Lily. Or you could say, "Oh, Lily." Yes, just like Barebones said. You could go, "Oh, Lily." Kifinti. Kif, with instead of a V, an F. Kifinti. All right? Those are two separate words, but it doesn't mind how you pronounce it. Anyway, how you write it. Anyway, what was I gonna say? And there was this one guy on Cat's stream, and his surname was Cremona. I don't know if you noticed, if any of you follow me on, some of you do, on Twitter, and you'll see my surname. It's Cremona, Cremona. And someone, Neville, his name was Neville Cremona in the chat. I remember, Neville Cremona. And I went in the chat, are you Maltese? Are you Maltese? Because it is a Maltese/Italian surname. And I went like, are you Maltese? But he wouldn't reply because chat was going so fast. Anyway, I put the controller down so I can speak. I'm an idiot. Somebody said something else. Hang on, because it was funny. Vloggy. That also applies to a guy who sounds like a girl though. Phone Skype and vice versa. If you sound like a girl. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't get Maltese humor. You don't get humor? No, let me explain that. Let me explain that first. Oh, you guys are distracting me from playing the game. Stop! If you sound like a girl, the thing is this: you think you sound like a girl. You think you sound like a girl because when I started making videos, I was all awkward, like, hello, and my laugh goes, you know, and I still do sometimes get people like, haha, gay voice, you know, so what the heck, I don't care, so what if I sound gay? I know I'm not, but anyway, whatever. Before I go in here, I need to address something else. Somebody said something else. Oh, Barry doesn't get Maltese humor. Basically, in Malta, there's this thing, and it's very, very, very stupid. I think it's very stupid, but you see a pretty girl, and you say, instead of saying, hey, babe, how are you? So they go, hey, Lily. It's that thing, hey, Lily. But instead of hey, they go, ow. Ow, Lily. Look, your name. I love it because I like, okay. I'm gonna keep playing now. I'm gonna run.
Welcome. You are now.
There's a lot of open space here. Something tells me there's gonna be a war zone here. Of ghosts.
Let's just pass through here as quickly as we can. And yeah, I didn't really think we could do it. I was just thinking happy thoughts.
Okay, so ghosts are fighting between each other now.
Huh. I'm getting heavy interference on the monitors. You guys in trouble?
Couldn't have been the American Revolutionary War, could it? Or the war on roses. Even the war on drugs. They just had. Maybe they're just props, but those barrels are marked explosive.
Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. So many ghosts. Get up.
Find some cover! Incoming!
Oh. I don't know. I won't be looking at chat for a while.
On the right! Behind you! Nobody messes with the key! Wow! You play hardball, Rook!
I thought I felt lousy before.
That's a whole lot of whatever. Wish this crap had a window. It'd be just like a little Vicksburg snowblower.
I'm the best Ghostbuster.
Look out! Above you! That's it! Oh, great! A whole mess of it!
You know this guy got an achievement
Let's see
because
you guys
Ray
fight
looked at the trap.
outside
I got
that
an
tiny
achievement for
little
something
trap.
someone else did. Come here. Come here. I forgot to put up the trap. I have to drag you over here.
On your left!
I'm gonna throw a trap right here.
Stand!
Come
Here they come! Play! Oh! Find some
There's a
cover!
trap here actually. We're crossing the street, taking us out.
Look out! Above you!
I has you now.
Hold him now! Here they come! I'm on my way!
I want you in
That
this
ghost
trap.
is going down! On your left!
Oh, good job. Let's get you. Oh, he did it all by himself. Well done. Who was that? Which Ghostbuster was that?
Get a scan on that!
There's no time for scans. Let's catch
Nobody
ghosts,
messes
buddy.
with the people.
Wow, look at them. I'm not doing anything. Look at them. They're trying to... so close, buddies.
On your left!
But you need some guidance.
Almost there!
3 streams now. No way you're getting out of this one.
In the box!
Such a mess. Time for me to look at chat. What's going on
took some
here?
casualties.
Well, I should do a full language challenge. Yes, when I'm in Amsterdam, buddy. You know when I'll show you my mugs? Who sounds like a girl? Vloggy? Yes, Vloggy. Well, I've been told I sound like a girl sometimes. But I think I finally went through puberty now. About time. No, but seriously. I'll show you my mugs when I do another... I'm gonna finish Ghostbusters. When I finish Ghostbusters, I'm gonna play something from my computer, so which means I'll switch on my camera. And then I'll show you my mugs. Veronica, you're gonna make me do this, are you? You're gonna make me do this, Veronica, are you? You're making Nightbot. You're making Nightbot ask me, yeah? You're making Nightbot ask me to do the ice bucket challenge. I think it's lame, but you're gonna make me do it, are you? Here's what we're gonna do. Why don't we get a petition? If you manage to get, I don't know, how many people? If you manage to get a few people into it, like one thing, if you manage to peer pressure me to do it, I will. Okay, let's play. What's going on? What's going on here? Vlogging on cam. Look! It's Inferno! Or is it oh. Look at Barry. Look what Barry just told you. Inferno, look what Barry just told you. He told you, "Ow, Lily." Inferno is Maltese, actually. Inferno is Maltese, so he actually gets it. Oh my goodness. Here's what, Jack. Give me your number, I'll call you, and we'll see if you sound like a girl. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What's the options? What's he talking about? Options. Oh man. I feel like fries right now. Alright, I should probably get back to the game. Let's get back to the game.
And take home a piece of history.
Who's this? Vankman! You're not gonna troll Inferno.
burning
You are
daylight,
not gonna
Hoodlum.
troll
Can't we
Inferno,
get outta
Ryan.
here?
Seriously. Inferno is a master troll, actually, so be careful. So many of my friends have blocked him because he's such a troll. What was I saying? Veronica, if you want to see me in a wet shirt, you just say it. You just say it. I'll DM you some pictures. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. That was inappropriate. I'm sorry.
We made it to the security office. I can see you guys on the cameras. No sign of Alyssa or her kidnappers, though. In the early 1900s, the museum was run by a board of trustees. Powerful guys, tycoons, captains of industry. The chairman of the board was Cornelius Wellesley of International Steel. The board used the museum as a respectable front for all kinds of dubious activities. Mainly, though, they were part of a club run by our favorite evil architect. They hired women from the St. Nicholas Rehabilitation Mission for Wayward Angels. Rumor has it the board conducted all kinds of nasty rituals using these women.
We've got to find that oozing tub of blubber and Alyssa.
There you go, Inferno. You should stop trolling people. You should stop trolling people. Are you working tonight, Inferno? And for those of you wondering, yes, he's my colleague.
Well, here we are, the Egypt exhibit. I practically lived here while I was working on my doctorate.
You see how much slime there is right here? There we go.
There was less black slime then. And I don't remember the screaming skulls so much. They're coming through the black slime.
All right.
Close the portal.
I figured actually. Let's go to black slime. You see, green slime neutralizes black slime, so it acts like a portal. So I need to.
Ow!
When I neutralize this stuff, this crap, you see them? Bring it out of it. When I neutralize this,
on the right.
really like, come on, sucker. Alright, there we go. There's more here. There's so much more. They have a weird hitbox, these slime. Let's look at chat, because I did ask, nope, he's not working Friday night, which I am too. Tomorrow, you mean? Yeah, Friday night. Yeah, I was the oldest. Yeah, Barry must be the youngest. Barry is the youngest. Barry is definitely the youngest. I've seen his face. Oh my goodness. Hang on, it's gonna take a minute. Oh yeah. Listen, I'm bored climbing all this. Do I have to climb everything? I don't think I can do it. What's this? Wow. Powerful portal. It damages your health, eh? When I walk into it, look at the steam coming out of my boots. It damages your health as well, so you need to be careful where you step. Or if you don't feel like being careful, you need to slime it up.
Hey, folks, it's okay. Be calm. Everything's under control.
It's Ghostbusters! Ghost! Get away! Get away!
Watch it now.
Yeah, of course. The trap locks us in with the ghost. Wouldn't it be nice to get locked out every now and then?
You complain way too much, Winston. Come on. It's our job. But then again, who doesn't complain about this job, right? I think I need to remove their, remove their shields first. They have no butters.
Run!
That is gone.
You got a mean street rook!
Oh, I need help!
Hey, over here, little help? Yo, little help?
Not good. Ah, not good. So many of them!
Gonna have to watch out for you! Oh, got it! Come on, do that again! I dare you! Man, Sting! On your
I'm
left!
gonna get rid of all of these first. And I'll leave the Ghostbuster handling the one that she can get from. It would have been easier if I froze them. My stasis tree. This one. Let's see if I can do that. Oh man!
That's a whole lot of what?
Luke over here! Hello! Luke is a fellow Malteser as well. Say it, Barry! Say it!
Find some cover!
I'm gonna freeze this guy. Hang on. Let me see if I can freeze him.
Run!
You see, I freeze him, and then I switch on to my broken stream, but it's broken now. Oh, let's try again.
Incoming!
There he is. Look, he's frozen now. Let it go! Let it go!
Hey, over here.
I'm gonna switch to my stasis stream, so I keep freezing them, and they can handle them easily now.
Run! Incoming!
I'm telling you guys, this game's gonna be better than the third movie. Than the movie.
Run!
Looks like we gotta go.
Now just bring him in! On the right!
You're going in my trap. I was the one that caught you. Come on, get in. Because we get paid by commission, guys. The more ghosts I catch, the more commission I get. Gotcha! My trap! Get in there! I need commission! I haven't met my target this month. I need to catch 100 ghosts. Gotcha! There he goes. Barry said it.
Hey, Rick, how do we
Is
get
it
out
loud?
to
Do you want
Egypt
me,
exhibit?
guys? Is the
main door is
audio
locked
too
up
loud?
tight.
Would you like me to put the volume down of the
Egyptian
game?
main room?
I can do that. I
Check
can
the
make it
west
happen
wall.
like this.
There should be a door leading
Like
through to
boom.
the next exhibit.
Is it better now? Is it better now? You don't need to hear the puns Peter makes. Is it like this now? Perhaps? I don't know. Can you still hear the game? Can you still hear me?
I'm looking right at the west wall, and I don't see a door.
Well, I'm looking right at the blueprints and, oh, I get it. Clever. The ghosts use their own dimensionally anomalous signatures to slightly wrinkle the time-space continuum. The door is still there. What you're seeing is a fold in reality. The ghosts removed the door from this plane of existence.
All I'm seeing in the pair of goggles is a kind of glowing purple aura. No door.
Well, this is an educated guess, but since the ghosts are gone, their influence is fading. The anomaly should straighten itself out. A few hours, probably.
A few hours? But I gotta go.
Wish I could help you, Z, but any analysis at this point is strictly theoretical.
Okay, but the biological situation I'm
Is
experiencing
it there
is
now
not
though?
theoretical
Put the
at all.
volume down now.
I suppose in theory, mind you, positively charged slime could dissipate the wrinkle and restore everything to its...
Just slime the damn thing?
Did you guys see that?
Good. Thank you very much. Now let's get the hell out of here.
Look, the chat's glitching out in the stream. It's not my fault though. Something's up with YouTube.
Where'd Peter go now?
Ah man, come on. Well, that's fine. Of course, I'm gonna be with Knows Me as Vloggy as well, so that's fine. Well, Knows Me as Vloggy. She knows me as Scan, but she knows I'm Vloggy. That's what I mean. So lame. Did you guys see that? Peter tried to scare me.
Watch out for him. He
I'm
looks
gonna
like a
get
nasty
slimed,
one.
Pete. In the butt. And in the face. Ow. Let's go. No, I hate these skeleton thingies. Go away.
Help me!
No, we
I'm on it.
to die.
Into the line, sucker! Find some cover! On your left!
Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
Oops, I threw my trap by mistake. Let's pick it up. Ah, come on, Bear. This game is fun. I recommend you try it. Honestly, this game is fun. And even you, Inferno. I know you like these kind of games. Come on, man. I know you love science fiction. And I know you love classic Ghostbusters. Come on, dude.
There he is! Let's get him!
Come on, man.
Oh, great! A whole mess of them! Haha, that's doctor's edible, punk!
Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. The picture frame looks normal from here. Well, sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. Look at that. I knew it.
That's a whole lot of what evidence. That ghost is going down! Behind you!
What's this? What's going on here? What's going on? Hang on, white backgrounds in your YouTube gaming chat overlay. Ed, oh man, I need to copy this in a hang on. Because Veronica just fixed something for me. Oh man, Windows 7. I'm streaming from my Windows 7. Hang on, let me pause the game. Where's the notepad? Stephen, notepad. There it is. I need to copy that and figure it out. Okay, add live widget .live widget to fix it. I'm gonna copy that. You're so helpful, V. Thank you so much. I'm gonna keep that in my notepad and I'll take a look later. Inferno wants me to play Guild Wars. Dude. Picture's trolling me. What? Can I do it now, actually? Can I do it now? Hang on, let me see if I can paste it now, the thingy. So if... But do I just add it to the current code? I'm not so sure. There's such a mess of code right now on screen and I don't know. Hang on, let's see. So chat, properties. CSS. Alright, so I went into CSS and there's such a mess of code here. I don't know if I need to just add it to the current code. Do I just add it to the current? Well, I'm assuming, yeah. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. I don't feel like messing it up. Is it gonna fix it? I'm gonna try. What's the worst that can happen? Ruin my chat. Friend zoned in public. That's Inferno. That's what he does. Vloggy. For ask CPG. Alright, okay. Okay. I'll take care of it later, actually. No worries. I'll take care of it. I'm scared to touch it now. I don't want to touch it now. But thank you so much, Veronica. Thank you. Alright. Let's go. Who is CPG anyway?
Get a scan on them. Oh, great! A whole mess of them!
The guy with the shields, I need to take their shield away, basically. To take their shield, I just need to do this.
Hold tight!
Let's use my stasis tree.
On the right! Ooh! No! Hey, watch your aim!
I'll just copy it to my current CSS, just add it to the current code, yeah? And make a backup. Yeah, I do have backups, yeah. I just don't feel like messing about right now whilst on stream, that's all. I want to dress up as a Ghostbuster for Comic-Con. Doesn't look like I can freeze them.
Come on! I think we're gaining on it!
side hug. Oh, come on.
Here they come. You got a mean streak, Rook. On your left.
Hey guys, did you find
Could
Alyssa?
be. I don't know if it's
Where
the
did
same
that
museum.
ghost
I
go?
have no idea.
You didn't see him, but he just came through here.
He must be headed back to the World of Gozer exhibit.
That's our cue. Move it.
I think this is the final boss. This is the final ghost, the big one that we were seeing running away. Look at us. All of us are equipped with stasis string. Look at that. All of us in blue. Did you see that? Did you see that? That means we're equipped with the stasis string.
What a nightmare.
Thank you. Not the words a rescuing hero wants to hear from his damsel in distress. May I say, your eyes are much prettier when they're not glowing like hot coals.
Peter, I've made an extraordinarily frightening
Why
discovery.
don't you all go away?
All my data indicate that the ghost world is beginning to push through multiple cross portals from their dimension into ours.
Well, more overtime.
Guys, look.
Now she calls my name.
Block the exits!
Don't let it escape with her.
Hit him with slime.
Winston, get the lady out of here before he hits on her again.
Aim for the big yellow eye.
Who wouldn't like to have that superpower?
Care to tell me why my library, museum, and parade are all going down the toilet?
I keep telling you, sir, the Ghostbusters are nothing but scam artists determined to throw a negative light on you and the city and extort you for more money.
Hello, Peck. I own that suit in blue.
Both of you, pipe down!
Mr. Mayor, an enormous event is on the horizon.
Something at the museum exhibit triggered a systemized psychic occurrence. Some mechanism we don't know the nature of yet.
No, of course you don't.
But it's feeding enormous energy somewhere.
Something that's now in the process of breaking down the walls between our world and another one.
This other world is crossing through into ours. It started with simple ghosts and animated monsters.
Now it's getting bigger. We don't know exactly what's next, but there's only room for one city here in this dimension.
Two physical worlds can't exist in the same space. That's just elementary particle physics.
We got a glimpse of the other world, Jock. It ain't pretty. It's like Brooklyn and the Bronx, with no Queens in the middle.
Whole city blocks sinking into a fifth-dimensional abyss.
Cockroaches the size of polo ponies.
Panic in the streets.
How'd you like disco to come back? Bigger than ever.
I get it. We're in trouble. So what am I supposed to do?
We need to prepare the city for the
The
worst.
city's my responsibility, not yours. Now go do your job and stop that thing.
You got a bite on your PKE. Scan around for something paranormal with your goggles.
I would totally trade my car for an Ecto 1. Honestly. Can you imagine me going to work with an Ecto 1? Wee, wee, wee. Oh man.
See what's here.
Let's see, something's not right here. Scan? Nope, does nothing. The bald guy, the one that sounds like this, is the mayor. The one with the beard is his kiss ass, more or less. Yeah. And he's always trying to convince the mayor that these guys are scam artists. Ghosts are not real, kind of. They're just trying to scare people off. Blah blah blah. If you watch the first, I think it's the first movie, and it really explains who Walter Peck is. Something's not right with this. Maybe I can destroy it.
Not me!
All this occult.
This way, gentlemen.
Well, this looks inviting.
I'll be at the office watching over Alyssa. Don't do anything fun without me.
That would have been me. If I was a Ghostbuster. I'm kidding. They all go down already? Huh. This feels like Resident Evil right now. Going down underground, secret passage, so many stairs, and the chains, and the wheels turning. Feels like Resident Evil right now.
You left a trail. This way. It probably goes without saying, but this is very strange.
Well, that is your conversation starter. What's strange?
This tunnel network, what could it possibly have been built for?
I was thinking the same thing.
Well, it could just be an old steam tunnel.
No way, Peter. The design and valves don't fit for moving steam, water, gas, electric, oil, trains, not even slime.
What about Morlocks?
Morlocks would hate this kind of ornamentation.
I don't recognize the alloy fabrication.
Is this the way I came in from? I forget sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, it was.
We need to find another way out of here.
This way, with me.
Play on PC. I'm not a very good PC. I'm not a very happy. I don't enjoy playing on PC much. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna play next on PC. I plan on playing Outbreak, Resident Evil Outbreak with True.
So it's not Steam, not Morlocks, but
So
there's
that's
plenty of
definitely
ghosts.
from my computer is gonna happen. And
Right about
then
that.
I plan on playing
More
Pokemon at
consistent
some point
accelerated
and
heat
Minecraft.
getting
So
blown
yeah.
through here than I've ever seen. But this is not the origin point. This is just a conduit.
Look at the trail! The chairman went that way! He's running down this tunnel!
Hey, I got a PC now. Fair enough, I did get a PC now. It's a laptop. It's a gaming laptop, but it's it's a PC. It's still a PC. It's a laptop, but it's a PC.
Let's get a scan.
Look at that! I thought I heard the siren from the actual
I
one.
need you to get going, champ.
So, are there any games you guys got excited for at E3? Any games? Anything? Are you hyped for any games? Did you pre-order any games? I pre-ordered 3 games actually since E3. I pre-ordered The Last
Come on,
Guardian.
kid. The half-life on a proton pack is only 5,000 years.
I pre-ordered Resident Evil 7, of course.
Question is, where does it lead?
And Dishonored 2.
Does it feel weird in here to you guys? Like familiar weird? Well, we knew which way to go for a while at least. There's got to be another way around this. The trail leads to this sealed door, then stops. Man, I do not want this jerkball to get away again.
Knew it.
Yeah, that was a little harsh. What'd you have against that wall?
The new kid.
Yeah, the Crash Bandicoot remakes are
So far,
fantastic.
not too shabby.
Yes, I mean not fantastic. We didn't see any of them, but we saw
Egon,
an
I think this
HD
is as good a
version of
time as
Crash
any to
in
install a new CPS.
Sky. What's it
The
called again?
Meson Collider is
Skylanders.
extremely precise
Yeah,
and deals
so
a lot of damage.
yeah, I'm looking
It takes
forward
a
to
while
that.
to
And it's
recharge.
not going to
The
be a
overload pulse disperses a
remaster,
rapid
just like you
burst
said,
of
man.
Meson
It's going to be a remake from the ground
fire
up.
each of
They
them
said it. They
independently.
said it's going to be a
Both work
remake
great.
from the ground up. I am
But you
looking
can
forward
also
to
use them
Sun
in
Moon.
tandem. Paint a target using the
And it's a
Meson
shame
Collider.
that Nintendo
After you've
only
acquired
had
the target,
that to show off.
all expulsions
Pokemon
from
Sun
the
and
overload
Moon
pulse will home in on that target.
and Zelda. They both look great, but wow, it's E3. All you had to show us was 2 games. In my opinion, that's going down the drain, huh? Anyway, what else? What else? I'm not excited for Resident Evil, but till I see more of it. Yeah, did you see any of it? Did you see the gameplay? Ah, you did actually. You did. You were there on everyone's stream. But I was reading an article this morning, and it said that what's on the stream, what's on the demo is pretty much the way the game is going to be. There are not going to be any zombies, by the way. As contrary to what people are saying, there's going to be zombies, and apparently it's going to be in the 3rd person as well as 1st person. But the official press release, from what I read and the interviews, they didn't mention any of that. They didn't mention zombies, and they didn't mention 3rd person. As much as I would love to have a 3rd person, I don't know. I would love to shoot monsters, but it didn't give me the impression that it's what it's going to be about. Either way, I pre-ordered it. Yeah, I wasn't impressed with Tekken either, no. But yeah, Nintendo was disappointing. Sorry, sometimes I put the controller, then I start rambling. South Park. Kevin. South Park. Grow up. Seriously, I don't understand. No, seriously, I was joking. But seriously, I can't understand how people find South Park funny. I don't understand. I wanted to like South Park and I gave it a chance, and all it is people going and screaming and poor animations and swearing. It's not my style anyway. I prefer Family Guy. It's stupid humor and kind of smart as well. It's smart and stupid at the same time, kind of. Fractured Butthole. I am a fan of the title, by the way. I love the title. It's fantastic. Fractured Butthole. Oh, look at that. I got a new upgrade on my Proton Pack. What does it do? Alright, not sure what it does, but... Nope. I will never see someone stream Sad Satan. What is Sad Satan? What is Sad Satan? It doesn't look like Albert Wesker knows what it is either. What is it? I never heard of it either. When am I switching to? I'm not switching to PC, Barry. I'm not switching to PC. I don't wanna take over the PC streaming business. You know, I wanna leave it up to the pros like Barry. You know, Barry twice. Yeah. You know, I wanna handle consoles. Guys, do you believe all this is underground?
Oh my. So much black slime.
Oh, it just seems like a lot because it's alive.
The column, it's flowing upwards.
If you see a big yellow eye in there, poke it with something.
No yellow eye, Ray.
Maybe it already went up there.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Is it my turn to lead? I don't want to jump in front.
Hello, Chairman. Ready to get what's coming to you? Kidnapping is a Class 1 felony, and we do not tolerate it in our jurisdiction. Get him! It's gotta have a weak spot somewhere.
What are they talking about? I don't see anything. Oh.
I should have stayed where he's at.
Without scientific.
Gotta move! Wait a minute.
To the right.
I don't see him. It's gonna take me forever to defeat this guy.
That's trouble.
It's on your left.
To the right.
Check your aim.
Look behind you.
I hate getting
Aim for the big yellow eye!
It's easier said than done, Egon.
The strength is failing. To the right.
Stand clear! Stand clear! Ow!
Oh, he got me.
Stay calm. Help's coming. Hold on! Ooh, that's smart. On the right! Watch it! Ah, he got me!
I'm not sure if I'm doing any progress in this video.
Look behind you. To the right. I gotta find some cover.
Give him the what for?
Oh! Yeah, we're gonna need another shot.
Watch out, would you?
That's good. Keep working. To the right. Hey, I'm on your side.
It's not alone! Stream crossing.
Dang it. I'm gonna finish off this monster and call it a day because I'm getting a headache and it's time for me to nap.
You've got him on the ropes! Never saw one hit. Scan him, he's got the guy. Great, fine. Could be trouble. You're hurting.
It's taking forever.
Hey, over here. A little help? Yo, little help?
It's on your left.
Watch it, streams are crossing.
Blind again.
Ah,
It's okay, I got you.
I'm hit. Look behind you.
It's on your left. You've got him on the ropes. Solid vaporization. Check your aim.
man.
His strength is failing.
What if I try to freeze him? I'm gonna try to freeze him again. I don't know if it works, but... Don't work.
Man down, man down.
Trying again.
Here they come. Keep working. Pleasantly saturated.
Great. Fine.
To the right.
The kid has some game.
No, I'm trying to freeze him. Maybe it's gone down or something. Stupid bottle of water. Okay. So, let's see if we can... Yes.
Could be trouble.
His strength is failing.
Mind you, I'm not playing this on easy. I'm playing this on one.
To the right.
If it justifies my suckiness.
Look behind you. Oh, should have zig when he zagged.
Hey, over here.
Nobody cared about Vangman, they just left him on the floor.
To the right. Run!
You got it! Run for it! Climb! Keep your shirt on. Somebody will show up.
Oh, he got me. To the right.
It's on your left.
I know, I'm trying to focus on. I want to get rid of this monster. I'm done. I've had enough of this monster. It's time
Oh, I'm ectoplasmically saturated.
to end this. Where is he?
Hey, over here, little help?
Get
Yo,
the
little
eye with
help?
everything you've got.
Almost there.
That's good. Keep working. On your left. That was close.
No. You'd be surprised who the last boss is, actually. Uh-oh.
I'm hit.
time to scan.
Aim high! Get out of here! Ugh, disgusting. But not entirely without scientific purpose.
So many of them.
Ow! That was close.
Hey, over here, little help? Yo, little help?
Now where? Aim high! Run!
So fast.
Multiple contact! Find some shelter, quick!
Help! Who's getting from?
Get out of here! You're almost there!
You've got him on the ropes! Run a full scan.
Oh, that's the place then. I don't need to capture them. I just have to vanish them. Okay.
Those ow there!
That's good. I can use my stasis gene then.
Hey, over here.
Stay on it!
Find some shelter, quick!
Hey, over here, little help? Yo, little help?
Need some help here?
Turn around!
Keep your shirt on.
Aim high!
Ooh, man!
There he is.
Keep it coming! I'm hit.
On the right!
Look out, on your left! Get out of here! Look behind you! Dodge! I'm fine. Not in trouble.
Take a hold!
This game is stressing me out.
Gotta find some cover.
Hey, over here.
Get out of here! Look behind you! On your left!
Whoa! Look at him! Jump out of the way! Ah, he got me!
Run! You hit me!
Eyes high!
Here they come! Look out, on your left! Look behind you! Gotta move!
One more. Almost there. Now I died.
On your
Help,
left!
help, somebody help.
Hey, over here, little help? Yo, little help?
There he is. There.
Find me again!
Don't stop! More than I expected. but not entirely without scientific interest.
I hate getting
Hey, over here.
To the right!
Hey, over here. Little help? Yo, little help? Keep it going! Look behind you! Ectoplasmic residue is by far the least. Oh.
His strength is failing.
You stirred up the hornet's nest, kid.
Come on. Oh no! No!
They got me! They got me!
I'm gonna have to do this again. It took forever to lower his health. No! No! I haven't looked at chat in ages. For this? No! 40 minutes. Have I been playing against these guys for 40 minutes? Seriously? My goodness, and I died. The Malteser! The Malteser, it must be Maltese. Barry, that's your cue. That's your cue killer.
Need some help here.
I want to play some more, but it's getting late. Wow, 5:25 local time. Oh my goodness, no, I have to stop. I have to get some rest. Yeah, it is about.
Man down, man down.
I am sorry, I gotta go. It's getting late. I have no idea how long I've been streaming, actually. How long have I been streaming?
Need some help here.
Alright, guys. Did I say gays? Hey, Gen848, I am so sorry if you've been lurking. Okay. I thought you just joined because I'm about to end the stream. Thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take a nap, maybe eat something because I'm working a night shift tonight. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. Bye, Lily! See ya.